So, good afternoon everyone. This is our top first topic for finals, and I hope you will be listening throughout this as well. I'll make sure to make this one quick so that you can go over it as soon as possible. Okay, now, can you please read our objectives first?
Identify mass communication. Identify and describe different types of mass communication. Analyze the role and impact of mass media in daily life. Create a simple communication campaign plan using tools and video.
Alright, so I wanna let you watch something or try to check this. Tell me what are the things you can understand from this. Just try to check kung saan yung makita sa video.
Lain. Sagap.
Alright, so now, can you try to answer this question? What forms of communication did you notice? Based on video. Can you look at that? I want to hear you guys in front because I'm almost give you information. What else? What form of communication? What form of communication online? What else? Non-verbal communication. Alright, we're almost there. So answer the question number 2. Which ones are most familiar to you? Social media, what else? Television, magazines, what else? Pinaka-familiar sa inyo ang media. Kasagaran ninyo ginagamit ka. Alright, we have Facebook. Now, answer the third question. What do you think these media affect people daily? Nabi mo? Kapulan. Alright, most of the time, once na ito, tinaganahan magpasubok ay nag-Facebook. Alright, so, thank you for your answers. Now, our topic for this afternoon will be all about mass communication. In your own understanding, what is mass communication? What is mass communication in your own understanding? Alright, isa lang ang sender, daghan ang receiver. I'm gonna be considering that correct. Why? Class, have you attended church? Do you attend church services? Alright, now sa church na isa ka, preacher, tapos nagano, what do we call sa mga tao na nagpaminaw? Receiver, or what we call mass. Diba? Ang English biya sa misa ay mass. Alright, now that's what we call mass communication. It is a communication of people, or it is a dissemination of communication to a large number of people. This is what mass communication is. What is mass communication? It is a dissemination or distribution of information to a large number of people. Please take note of that. When we say mass communication, distribution of information to a large number of people. Meaning to say it is 10 or more people that is being informed. Now, what is mass media? Class, sabta na gamay si mass communication. What's mass communication again? Alright, correct. It is a distribution of communication or information to a large number of people. That's the definition of mass communication. In our term, or in our language, mass communication is paghatag o balita or information sa kadaghanan. That's mass communication. Are you getting my point? Right? Now, after we learn what is mass communication, what is mass media? Based on your definition. What is mass media? Through social what? Social media. Alright. Mass media is correct. These are the times, or these are the things that we are using for us to get information. Example, newspapers. Once we read a newspaper, we learn something from it, right? We know something from it. The event, daily lives, or reports, we know it because of the media that we are using, which is the newspaper. What else? What are the other examples of mass media? Television. Is that an example of mass media or not? Right. Radio. Sir, how can you say that the radio is a mass media? Where in fact, I am the only one who's been listening throughout the day in our house. But you mentioned earlier, sir, na mass media is daghan dapat ang naminaw. Pero sino ko naman isang naminaw sa mga kwarto? Matawag din ang mass media radio. Yes, why? Very good. Dili man lang ikaw lang isa ang naminaw sa radio. Daghan mo sa inyong puro. So that is why it's considered as mass media. Are you getting now the gist of it, class? May sinasabi talaga kayo sa mass communication is mass media. Please don't be confused. A mass media is the object or the thing that is being used, or the medium. because that's the media that I'm going to be discussing today. Mass media, meaning to say the distribution of the information by the use of the newspaper is delivered or nakatod sa kadaghanan. That's a mass media. Now next, what we have here is what is media? We have already defined what is mass communication. We all have already defined what is mass media. Now the question is, what is media? Anyone? People at the back, do you have any information? What is media? Paklaro ninyo ang PowerPoint nila. Deliset, hindi pa kamay ng mga mata. What is media? Alright, number 2. A method of communication or a form of publication commonly used to distribute news and information. That's the media. That is what we were talking about earlier. This is the medium, or let's say for example, what is the medium of your communication when you talk with your family abroad? You're using what? Cell phone. So that media itself, or that thing, or that medium itself, is what we call the media. I'm getting my point. Am I too fast? Or should I slower it down for your class? As I prefer ninyo. Uy, okay na mo? Ang luya tayo mo ron. Alright, now next, we have what we call media literacy. If there is a term that we call computer literacy, meaning to say a people or a certain people is, or a human or a student is able to use a computer, meaning to say, yung computer literate na siya tao. Pero pag kita, kabalo na ganit mo ang ability to identify yung sa mga media magamit, that's media literacy. Are you getting my point? For example, you are driving sa city. Now, sa mga pag-drive, nakadungog ka o bombo balita. What's the mass media or the medium that is being used? Radio, correct. So, pag makabalog ka nga, ay, radio may nagtigo ka ron, meaning to say na media literacy. You have the ability to identify what type of media is being used to disseminate an information. Are you getting my point? Nagulang kayo mo no? It's up game. Now, let's go to group 1, 2, 3. Come on, dili mo ba? Apil mo ha? Dili mo lingkod, pero apil mo dili 3 and 4. Ang 4 dili magsugod sa second row. Now, group 1, for group 1, you will say, okay na me. Okay na me. For group 2, you will say, sakto na me. Okay? Okay na me, sakto na me. Yeah. What you will say is, sige ito yun ready na me. Now, for group 4, what you will say is, sa may yung istorya. Ginagawa lang ba yung phrase? Okay na po. Okay na po. Okay na po. Take note. Now, if I call your group number, you should stand and say the phrase that I told you. And if someone or whoever is caught, now, last naman din do, will be the one to answer my question. Okay? Now, let's continue. Media literacy is what again? Is the ability to identify what type of media is being used. Do you agree, group 3? Okay, ang group 4 na isang group 4 natin do, pero ang palinabot so you will be the one to answer my question. Now, what's media literacy again is? What's media literacy? You mix that. Now, yes, what's media literacy? Guys, gusto nyo itong media literacy again? Isabel. Alright, so what's media literacy again? Sina, I will be accepting your opinion because I believe opinions are always correct. Yes, what's media literacy na? Alas 5 kayo tagtamo man dito mo. Kaya ano si back session. What's media literacy is again? Need some help? Ikaw na lang. Sige. What's media literacy?
Sir, kanang capability or ability na maka-identify kung sa siya medium of media, for example, radio.
Alright, very good. That's correct. Alright, media literacy class is the ability to identify what type of media is being used. Now, let's proceed with types of media. I'll be only discussing 3 types of media class because these are what the known type of media. First one, we have the print media, the broadcast media, the third will be the new media. So, these are the types of media. Now, let's begin with the print media. Please take note that the print media is the oldest type of media. What's the oldest type of media again? Print media, correct. Now, based on your understanding, group 3, yes, based on your understanding, what is print media? What is print media based on your understanding? Someone is answering, yes?
The oldest type of media.
Alright, the oldest type of media, I'm going to be accepting that because that's correct. But I need to hear from your class. What's your definition when we call or when we heard about print media? What? Okay, naka. Alright, now what is print media?
Print media, sir, like for example,
Yeah, you may say that one.
tao na mag-gamitin ko sa print media, like for example,
Okay.
newspaper.
Alright.
Print mo siya, so na-print mo ng newspaper.
Alright, well said, very good. When we say print media class, kailangan di ba? Karita, kailangan yung mga makita. Wala, nag-i-yok sa print media. Now we have some examples of the print media. before I'm going to proceed with the next slide, I need to hear it from you class. What can you think of a print media? Being on in group 4. Okay. Yes. Give me an example of a print media. Anything that you can think of that will give you information, not just you but everybody. What? I'm sorry. Signage, correct. Class, signage is a form of a print media. Why? Because another example, yeah, you said thank you. You're correct. Another example for a print signages is what we call billboards. A billboard is an example of a still photography, which is the best example of a print media. Class, a billboard, okay, dili na ikaw makabasa once it is being placed there, right? Sa una, ang natanduan sa billboard, di ba na kayo? Karon, wala na billboard halos sa mga cities, mga LED wall na gamit nila. Kaya sa kanan ba, pag naganda LED wall diha about sa kanang mga ilim nun, daghan nag-discuss sa diha dapat. Why? Dili man ang botelya tanawon, ang ulit sa botelya. Manapatry pa talaga yung matanging mangga. Alright? So that's an example of a print media, the billboard or signages. Now, let's proceed with another example for the print media. This includes newspapers, magazines, and other type of publication. When we say publication, katong ibang print class para i-publish sa public. Now, still photography is also considered. Kung sa itong example nato sa still photography, billboard, right? Alright, within this publication, there are two main divisions of labor. Within this publication daw, na ito ka-classic class na newspapers and magazine. We have the reporting and editing. Now, for the people behind it, the reporter and the editor, who comes first? What do you think? Or who do you think who comes first? Who's the una? Reporter or the editor? Editor, sure mo. Reporting. How man nagustuhan sa reporter? Alright, let's have the definition. Now, reporters are the newspaper writers who investigate newsworthy events and interesting stories, while editors assign stories to the reporters. So who comes first? Who comes first? Kinsa ang mahatag sa report? Ang editor. So meaning to say, the editor is the one who's responsible for the topic of the report. Alright, another example, or let's take note. The newspaper is the most popular form of print media. Please take note of that. Pinaka-popular. Why? Kaya pinaka-popular sa newspaper? Just because, before, manawag sa itong mga lutong mula, mama, before they can, or in order for them to know the news, they need to get the newspaper. Wala pa yung mga Wi-Fi, wala pa yung computer sa una, wala pa yung TV, wala pa yung radio. Doon na, pero mas gamit kayo sa newspaper. Why? Ang TV na ito sa una ng mga likod. Dahil kung kumabiyahe sila, magtitid sa TV, magtitid sa radio. Right? So, anong most popular because it's handy, they can bring it anywhere. Alright? Now, a newsletter. What's a newsletter? Kung sa'yo kalahian newspaper o newsletter class. Si newspaper covers different topics. Why? Si newsletter, nag-cover lang siya of one topic. Alright, that's their difference. Okay? So, this newsletter is used for marketing strategies. And their difference as well is kasagaran, si newsletter ay mga advertisements para mag-promote kung information. Alright? Now, the third one, we have magazine. Para ito na newspaper, newsletter, and the third one is the magazine. Kasi nakita rin magazine sa Nibalay. Alright? Kung sa'yo mabantayan niyo sa magazine class. Model? Nagkaroon ka po sa magazine dito ba? Kung sa'yo mabantayan sa magazine, alright, I'll give you the difference or their kalahian ni newspaper of the magazines. Si newspaper more on reports, daily lives, daily events, happenings. While si magazine more on entertainment. Mabantayan rin ito, nandito si fashion, si sports, si magazines. Alright? It is being published weekly, monthly, quarterly, or annual. Now, the third one, or the fourth one is what I'm talking about earlier, the billboard. Billboard are considered, or what we call the still photography. Alright, and the last one we have books. Take note, the books is the most important, the oldest form of print media. I have a question. What's the oldest type of media? Print media. What's the oldest type of print media? Very good, the book. Sir, ano nga pilman ang libro sa print media? Very good, because first, it gives information to a large number of people. Because that's what mass communication is. Are you getting my point? Pag may mass communication, giving information to large number of people. When I ask you a question, I only need to hear two phrases. What is mass communication? First, giving information. Second, to a large number of people. That's mass communication. Alright? Now, we have the second type of media, which is the broadcast media. Dali natin sa broadcast class. Pag audio gani, automatic radio. Pag video gani, automatic television. Yeah. Just write this letter. Alright, so broadcast media has only two examples as we have the audio and the video. When we say audio, it refers to radio frequencies. Now for the video, it refers to television channels, etc. That's it. Radio is a way to send electromagnetic signals over a long distance to deliver information from one people to another. That's what I'm talking about video. Television, same. Now, let's proceed with the third one, the new media class. Our media is evolving as well. From the old media, which is the broadcast and the print media, now evolves into a new media, which is the internet. Come daw, internet. Internet, because kung sa US class, inatangka na naman ang mga tiyo, mga artist nga. Mag-isang galing ko sa hawa-hawa. Sa naon. Day! Ikaw, Day! Wala sila. Day, direct. Amor, pagkatawanan niya ang papadalito sa account na ito. Das! Basta kung saan nakata ko yung problema, ay yung account sa buhay mo yung lang. Kaya pinin nyo, hindi na ba ikaw masikat? Ay, ikaw masikat, ikaw makakata ng video sa inyo. Sa una, pagalis ka siya ka, tapunan, payungan. Karoon, pagalis ka siya ka, videohan, tapunan, Padagaray na nag-likes karoon, padagaray na. Ako nawawaw sila. Alright, going back. So, one example of a new media is the internet. Class, isa na makasulod rin yung computer laboratories. High school. Alright, nakasulod mo. Example, ang new media karoon yung ginagamit, instead of giving you newspaper diha or newsletter diha, I'll just type in the information and then send it to your computers by the use of internet. Wala pa yung Wi-Fi sa una, guys. What's the meaning of Wi-Fi? Wireless? Federico? Wireless? Fidelity. Alright. Now, wala pa yung Wi-Fi before. That is why the dissemination of information, example, ako mag-send ng information direct, mag-quiz ko niya 1 to 30. So, ako, makareceive ba ito? Pag makareceive na ako mag-quiz ko, so maminaw dahil makaroon, kaya mag-quiz na later on. Alright? Now, so, that's one way or one example of the new media, which is the use of internet. Here's what we call the World Wide Web. Come on. World Wide Web. Do you know what's in your understanding what's the definition of what is a World Wide Web? What do you think it is? Yes. Kasi nagagamit yung browser. Alright? Before you type in your browser, youtube.com, di ba? Pag-enter nyo na natin, appearing at people.com, that's the World Wide Web. Meaning to say, dili lang ang pamalong ang access. It's over the world. Alright? That's the reason why this lang, ayaw mag-post diretso-diretso sa Facebook. Sir, okay na mo kung mag-share binuang about sa akong kagalingon. Kaya 20 naman ako friends. Kaya 20 mga friends, wala natin po nga friends. So, I ask please, think before you click. Kasi papareho nga itong SK Santo Tomas, nag-share, katong usap na akong piligong, nag-share siya o katong picture sa judge, sa hey, tingin pa sila, wala na next month sa porn site. Hindi, deactivate siya ng account, tingnan naman, balikan siya, ito pwede pa siya mag-face. Alright? Think before you click, the same goes with think before you speak. Alright. Now, this is what I'm talking about. The new media is transforming the old media to the new one. Anong itawag sa new media, by the way? Anong itawag sa new media? Alright, because bag ko man siya. Yo, gani, bag ko. Mag-converting pagit. Alright, the second type of new media is what we call social media. I believe, anan there is a social media, right? Nagtulog magani ka account. Diba? Alright, example, give me an example of a social media. Facebook, X for the Twitter, what else? Instagram, what else? Telegram, ang Telegram naman dapat para sa mga kabit. Kasi ang Telegram na rin. Alright, so social media is digital technology that allows sharing of information and ideas, including text and visuals through visual networks. Plus, ganong nabelong si media or si social media sa mass media. Very good, because naghan ng mga nawats information. Kamantay mo, kanang na ay video, bisag wala pa makakita ko sa mga video, magka-interest mo magtanaw. Why? Because pagtanaw niyo 1 million views. Right? Ano nag 1 million views man eh, effect na ninyo. Sa views pala daan, wala palagi siya gihatag information sa imo ha, nagka-interest na ka magtanaw. Because of the views itself. Another example, nag-shared post ka, nagpalugdo ka sa mong crush. Dayon, ni heart or ni like react lang wala ni heart, what's the indication on it for you? Ay, like na lagi ni, di ba? With the use of social media, makakuha ka information diha isa sa likes lang and sa mga views lang. Wala pa ka nagbasa sa mga comment. Kita ba din sa akin? Pag kita kasabot sa video, comment na din sa nara ba yung tawag na itong mga keyboard warriors? Asa man na sila? Kaya ito nag-award. Pag-alag type, comment mo. Kaya mag-live sa Facebook. Ano ba ay? Kasi karoon ba mga babae? Mga mama na guli. Hindi, pagkatanong mo. Asa na kita tayo? Nasa yung sa Facebook mo. Huwag na naku, pagkaw sa napita. Naku yung mga tanah. Karoon natin. Yung mga panay nag-advance sa ako. Ayun sa rin. Walang class. Please lang. Ay, naging mo magpapaanin ka rin ko yung magpapaanin. Lalaki rin. Kasi magpapatapos ka na. Tapos speed mo si mga motor na. Superman doon. Medyo lang nakita ko. Tapangan. Papalis class na mo. Ang rin mo comment dito, te. Pakihatid ka kung gawa na sa pinakalayo hospital. Alright. So, take note, 4.7 billion ang nag-use sa social media. O nang karon, ayaw gid mo patangat-post sa inyong picture na yung ID because this ID can be used by others. Pati nga na lang ka, nakita sa mga polis, ma'am, nang-scam daw ka, agway. Kaya gigamit yung ID. Kasi for example, ikaw, pagka mo, na-picture mo, tapos nakuha yung ID, igamit na sa mga scammer. Karon, sa mga bad people. Karon, ang atong igamit sa mga ID, nangawat o pindahan, gabing nako. Ibili yung mga ID. Kasi pakitaon, ikaw, walang ayaw kayo mag-post kasi sa Facebook. So, karon, i-deactivate yung mga Facebook. Hindi lang. Alright, questions so far? Alright, Habs, here's some questions. But before I proceed with that, I'll give you, based on your group page, sa group page na, I'll give you some tasks to do. So, group 4, where's the group 3? Group 1, give it group 2. Now, I'll just be giving you 2 minutes to try to understand the situation, then give me your answers later on. Just ready because I'll be calling someone from your group. Pag-uwi ka na ako, manawag ko, kauban yun din ko sa rin. Patikatig ka rin. Alright, 30 seconds left. Ten seconds left. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, so at this juncture, you'll be able to pick your percentages. So just select one to read your task and tell us your answers. Now let's begin with the group 4. Douglas.
Good afternoon, everyone. So our task, our question is, how do authors add staff attention? So, ang daya mga isang work, aside sa mga is outdoor media, which is the billboard and poster. So, the question here is, how does outdoor add staff attention? For us, the billboards or the poster catch attention to the audience. And because, for example, that Sergi Ganina, which is the model, and also, makatch attention when it comes if, for example, kailangan ka na sa endorser, and also, ganang topic na sa billboard is interested ka. Next is what are the limits? So, ang limits sa billboard of the first poster is, for example, that the one that can only the people who can go to that specific place can access the information. So, if you cannot go to that specific place, you cannot see what in the billboard is.
All right, very good. Let's give a hand. Next, we have group 2. Who's the representative for group 2?
Our question is, what makes TV and radio powerful? So,
Yes, did you understand the question?
what makes TV and radio powerful?
Right.
So for us is, before pa ang emergency sa media is, oy, naman ko sa uwan nga, sa ganang sir. Okay.
Go ahead.
Ang challenges na naging face niya karon kay dili na kayo sa pagkak sa uban kay ang sa generation, which is able na ialat ko yung media. Pero kung na sila na kay kasi kapag sa public na uban yung
Alright, we're gonna respect your opinion when it comes to that one. Let's give a hand to group class. Next, we have group 3. Just your representative. Go. Read the question and tell us your information.
Why is digital media is growing? So, because of the technological advancements, so since advanced technology, so the media also advanced and nag-advance mo lang ang digital media and also risk or weaknesses as it comes. So, digital media, the risk of using digital media is
Yes, actually, this answer is correct because of the advancement of technology. Kasi kaya yung mass or yung media, right? Digital media.
what is digital media? So, the risk or weaknesses of digital media is it can spread fake news such as fake news.
Alright, well said. Let's give a hand to group 3. Next, That's good commission point. Just go. You can add or you can just rely on it.
The good one is print media or newspaper or newspapers and magazines. How effective is print in today's world? What are its advantages and limitations? So, pag ato bisa ka print media, which is publish ng research.
Yes,
Publish research. So, para sa tuwa, as students, is ang advantages sa tuwa is dali lang tama maka-access of information na related sa tuwang studies. Then, ang limitations lang po niya is hindi mo po ng research is na-publish and then limited lang po na information.
Alright, thank you so much for the information. Let's give a hand to group one, guys. I appreciate the way you think, the way you give information, which is correct. I hope naging mo na rin today. But before we end our session, guys, I need you to do something. Or let's answer this question first. What are the most powerful types of mass media today? Social media, correct. Now, what are the responsibilities of communicators in mass media? Okay, it should be ethical. What else? It should be correct. It should be factual. That's their responsibility. Now, that is why, based on the group 3, they mentioned that spreading of the fake news is viral today. Right? Gabi na nakadaghan karon class. Wala pa gani ka namatay. Tapos ipatay na kanila. Alright, next. How can mass media influence society positively or negatively? Class, this question should be answered by group, but we are in time right now. We are running out of time, so that's why I'm just asking this information. No. Yes, go ahead.
Positively, sir, kay, dali na lang pag-access sa mga information sa mga device.
Alright, correct. Who says negatively? Negatively. Or who says both? Nasa positive impact and nasa negative impact. I need to hear from you class. What's the negative impact of the mass media today? Okay, false information is widely spread. What else? Yes. Biases. What's your last name? Kataber. So, biases. Yes, correct. Class, as you observe, karon, tanawan ng media na to. I'm referring to our stations. National stations, national TV. Usahay, makita nimong bias, right? The way they report, the way they send information to the public. And take note, that's public. Tanan tao makadungan na. And, I need, basta ko lang namin. Sorry. And take note, pag ang tao ganun makaingon sila, hala TV Patrol, tama ginalang gingon. Hala GMA, tama ginalang gingon. Hala TV5, tama ginalang gingon. Hala GMNI, tama ginalang gingon. Di ba? Ako kay impact ang newscasting sa ato. O nang usahay makasense ka, hala, it's kinda bias. It's kinda fake news at all. Usahay ka makatuto, tama ang balik magigit. May pasalalay, tama balik. Alright, guys, I just need you to have this as an assignment because we're running out of time. But I need to do this and to pass this on next meeting. Ay, hindi ba na? Hindi tayo Wednesday, mali ka rin? Bilang Monday ka rin. Alright, so this will be an individual activity instead of by group. So I need you to create a basic mass communication campaign plan. Basic mass communication campaign plan. You would choose any social media or social issue. It could be environmental awareness, mental health, or online safety. Basic mass communication campaign plan. And the instructions will be sent on our TC later on. Okay, so this is only an assignment. But it can be depende na kung sa mga sila. Alright, question so far, guys. Kamay sapnan. I hope na may sapnan balang gamay. Importante na ay gamay. Alright, I'm not be taking much of your time. Goodbye, class, and God bless you.
Bye.